Today we are looking at the Hoover HWB814DN1 washing machine in. Visit the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information. Capable of washing up to 8 kilograms of laundry in a single load, the Hoover HWB814DN1 integrated washing machine is superbly effective. Coming with an A+ energy efficiency rating, it also boasts an A rating for both wash performance and spin drying efficiency. Keeping clothes clean, their HWB814DN1 has 12 different programs, ranging from a speedy 14-minute quick wash for when you need to get a couple of clothes freshened up in a hurry, to a stain blaster setting that will help clean fabrics that require a more thorough cycle. Thoughtful features: if you don't have enough laundry to run a full load, but you still need to get some clothes clean, their HWB814DN1 utilises Hoover's KG mode. Using an intelligent sensor, the laundry is weighed within the first 4 minutes and the cycle time, water and electricity consumption is then adjusted accordingly to suit the size of the load. Further increasing the quality of the wash is a 3D dynamic wash system. By using curved paddles and a raised dome system within the drum, laundry is moved around freely and increased water pressure ensures clothes receive a thorough clean. Their HWB814DN1 has a spin speed of up to 1,400 revolutions per minute, which can remove as much as 64% of water from your clothes, so when it comes to drying you already have a great head start. A great choice for any fitted kitchen, the Hoover HWB814DN1 integrated washing machine will help make your household's laundry day a simple and painless. Click on the Cool Kitchen website link in the description below this video for more information and to get the cheapest price for this appliance.